Please subscribe, Myong Berceros TV. Unknown to many, two Davaoenos are set to play crucial roles for the Meralco Bolts when Philippine Basketball Association PBA games resume after the COVID-19 pandemic. Don Julian, Barangay Maa resident Basir Amir will once again takes the role as starting point guard for the Bolts when the PBA All-Philippine Conference resumes after the COVID-19 crisis. Amir, a former player of Holy Child College of Davao in high school before playing in Metro Manila for San Beda College, is considered as one of the top young point guards in the oldest professional basketball league in Asia. Joining Amir in the roster of the Bolts this year is Michael Mirafuentes Cañete, a resident of Leon Garcia, Agdao. Last March 10, 2020, Cañete, a former varsity player of the St. John Paul College of Davao Saints and Arellano University in the National Collegiate Athletic Association (NCAA), officially signed his PBA contract to play for the Bolts. The Davaoeno, who recently played for the Bacoor City Strikers in the Maharlika Philippines Basketball League (MPBL), expressed joy over his PBA signing, saying it is a dream come true for him. Unang-una po ay thank God sa lahat ng achievement ko sa buhay ko, yung feeling mo na pinapanood mo lang sila sa TV ngayon, kasama na teammates mo na sila, Cañete said. Cañete also took time to thank his family, former teammates, and coaches for helping him get to this level. Before signing the contract, Cañete was selected by the Bulls in the third round of the PBA draft.